Hi guys, welcome to 4H News for Kids. Today we'll be painting. And we're doing our own Christmas ornaments.
Today is a very exciting day because we're going to do our own Christmas ornaments. So what is the materials that we need?
Putting dark blue shining stuff. Paint. Shining paint that's dark blue. And I'm doing light blue shining paint.
Now we're using a ruler that has a lot of cool designs like these ones. And we're going to use to do some designs on the wood. And here we have Olaf. And we have a snowflake. And after that, we're going to use some of these letters that are really shiny and sparkle. We can put some words over here. Natalia is now doing some designs. And she's putting some stars with metallic white using the ruler.
I just put my word.
And why is that word?
Joy. God has to see what we're doing now. Jing. It says Jin right there. That's not Jing. Jin. Jing. Jingle. What happened?
So what are you doing, Natalia?
I am putting Christmas.
It's
X and a S. Christmas.